How we going, guys? Jay here from JDT Adventures. We're just going out for a wee night paddle in the kayaks just up a local creek. Try to get ourselves some eels. The weather's been a bit shit lately, so we're hoping just to go out and have a bit of fun and get back into it because we haven't been into it for a while. I'll just show you. Got the kayak set up there, so we'll be heading out. We've got Tyler and Danny, they're coming out as well, and we're gonna hopefully get some nice big eels, and we'll do a bit of a catch and cook for you. So yeah, we'll touch base when we're getting in the water. Cheers, guys.
I'm going backwards, mate.
All right. Spin it out.
Needing it.
I got it.
Shit, what is that?
Just him flapping his fins.
That sounds leaky.
Yeah.
No, he is.
He's hooked.
He's got one.
There we go, guys, so we just got out of the water now. Kayak's getting packed up. Landed ourselves a nice big eel. We were using ox liver for bait. We got a nice wee eel for the smoker tomorrow, which you'll join with us. I'm just going to meet up with Danny and Tyler now. They just want to do a bit of shore fishing so we can get Tyler a nice big eel. So we'll go meet up with those. Okay, there they are. How we going, guys? So we've just made it back. We got one eel. The footage is quite hard to get. I'm just trying to get used to the new GoPro, but yeah, we got one eel. We're going to do a catch and cook for you guys. Danny's just here. He's de-sliming it. He's the master at it. So we let him do his thing. So we've got a nice wee eel there. We're just scraping off all the slime, and then we'll cake it in salt, put it on a plate in the fridge, and then tomorrow we'll smoke it.
That should be good.
How we going, guys? We're back. It's the next day. Had a pretty good sleep last night, and it's time to get into some eel. So we've been drying it outside, let the air get it so the skin's nice and crispy, and then we're just gonna fillet it up, put it in the smoker with some manuka chips and brown sugar, a bit of butter, and it will turn out beautiful.
Yeah, no, it will.
Yep.
Be good.
So we'll give you a quick demonstration on how to fillet them. We're not pros, but we'll just show you how we do it, and then we'll go from there.
Nice stuff.
Cool, so we'll just start by meeting the backbone there, and we follow it all the way down.
Yeah.
Their skin's really tough. But when you got a sharp knife, it makes it nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Cool, so we'll just proceed to work our way around the bone.
Where is it coming from?
Work our way around the bone. Nice fillet there. Just like that. And like I said, I'm no expert, but that is it's what you're looking for, eh? A nice wee clean fillet. And then we'll proceed to remove bones from it, tidy it up so we can get it on the smoker. Welcome back, guys. So we've just filleted up the eels, put a bit of brown sugar on and a bit of butter. Just show you guys how it's looking at the moment. So this is my wee smoker. You put the methylated spirits, methylated spirits goes in there. You'll like that. Have your manuka chips at the bottom here, and then your eel will smoke and cook away. Very cheap and very efficient way to smoke fish or whatever you want to smoke. Yep, we picked this up at the local warehouse. 30 bucks I think we paid for it. Just got to go buy the methylated spirits and that's it. So it's a pretty good bargain. But yeah, just check those succulent little things out. Once they cook, they're gonna puff up. They're gonna be beautiful. Yeah. I reckon a wee bit longer. Beautiful.
Anyone who ever say there's anything wrong with eels got to be tripping on the head.
Alright guys, so the eel's all done. We'll give it a bit of a test.
Look at that, all caramelised.
Just nice and succulent. Give it a
Beautiful.
taste test.
That skin's nice and crunchy.
Yeah, that's good. It's been a while since I had eel. Almost forgot what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Quite a like chickeny. So it almost tastes like a smoked chicken.
It does, eh?
But it's very tasty, yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, we're gonna demolish the rest of this. And yeah.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the stuff.
It all helps us out.
Yep. And helps us get our name out there. And we'll bring you guys some more content soon.
Will do.
In a couple of weeks we'll be up in Nelson, so make sure you're there for that, because there'll be a few videos dropping, a few catch and cooks and all that stuff. Awesome.
Awesome guys.
Cheers guys.
See ya.